and Ochuoga looking at where to play it, brings it back to the center. It's a low shot here, it's in the net! It's a goal of distance, and in the 23rd minute. The support for the game here will be very partisan. Again, a chance here to Kapen. He wants to give it out. And Sharif Musa makes it 2-0. And was waiting for his brings it again to Sharif Musa, who's broken through, brings it out to Kapen. He's in pole position. Kapen has put it in the net. And after being
we knew that they are going to be hard on us, and we also knew they are going to keep the ball. But we wanted to stick to our style of play, though it didn't work well, but I think they capitalized on our mistakes, and that's how we lost the game.
The way and manner we played, how we constructed the passes to the wider areas, and then because it was wonderful, and it was very, very exciting. Probably you may see me, I was so excited, or maybe overexcited, and it's good. But we are very happy the way the boys are processing everything.